I just made this today, just in one day. So yeah, this is just my birthday present. Just look at that. It's a mushroom house. And Lego. Look at that chest. Look at that tree. Look at the mushroom. Look at the garden. Look at the leaves. I don't know if that's a leaf or lamp, but let's see. Can you look inside the house? No, we can see through the window. I can't either, so yeah, I guess we can. But I think we can because I can see that. So there's a chest over there and a bed over there.
No, go ahead, eat first.
The window over
I'll
there.
try and find maybe later.
Look inside of it.
Good.
And I think that's it for my Lego set. So we got a spider, a skeleton, a mushroom, and a bucket, and a chest. So yeah, I made it and and the item set is 21179. So yeah. So far, just plus 8 and has 272 pieces. And you say it's considered a building toy, so it's for kids. So yeah, that's Game Boy. Let's get the video. Okay, so we'll forward away from it and see if you can see through the window. Okay, just getting eventually closer. I see it's like nighttime inside. The lights are off in the house. But I was happy because I forgot I wanted Chris my birthday, so yeah. So plus here cold over here. Have to see that. Yeah. Here I go here with my pad over there. So yeah. So the best that's a close. I didn't see the one. We see the close. I'm gonna go 10. Okay, that's 10. And this is 20. Total house. Okay, let's zoom in. You can see that thing. So now the Lego house. It's generally for for my birthday, my 80th birthday. So mushroom. No, wait. That's the top. Wait, no, that's not. So yeah, I will see what you know in the comments. Here's I think. Let me just read. Then it's not. And yeah, you see here, have some extra pieces in there. So it's like if you want to think about it, if there's a chest in the bed, you can lift this up. Never mind, I'm not gonna lift this up. I just messed it out. Mine I gotta be bonus, so I'm not gonna put it up. So yeah. So I decided to make it open the top, and this is what I decided: a coffee table, a bed, just that. And I just put it back on. Which one? This is the book. ID is up there. And see what you want to know in the comments.